Okay, guys, so we want to put these wax strips to test, and I've been growing my hair, my leg hairs, or my hairs on the or the hair on my legs for a while, almost like a month, even more, I think, so that we can be able to test this. So never mind quarantine manenos. You can see the legs are pretty hairy, and I just want to test and see. So obviously you have to read the instructions. You have to read the instructions, and it says, you need to make sure your skin is clean and dry, no oils. And yeah, obviously I'm a bit nervous but I know it will be less painful than my usual trip to the salon. So yeah, so I'm good to go. So we'll start with this one. So what you do is just peel off so that you can reveal the wax. And as I said, it's very smooth, and it smells so good. My room smells so good right now. And what you want to do according to the instructions is you want to lay it down and smooth it according to how your hair is growing. So my hairs are growing this way, so I'm just gonna smooth it that way, smooth down along the way your hairs are growing. And after that, you just lay it flat until you can tell like it smells dark, and then the fun begins. So you're supposed to pull across or the opposite direction from how the hair is growing. So my hair is growing this way, so I need to pull this way. So okay, I'm gonna take a breath and just pull this, and hopefully it works. So you also need to hold your skin tight so that it works, and make sure it's all the way flat, and just hold the skin tight, get a firm grip so that you pull in one very quick pull. 1, 2, go. Guys, look at that. Just one swoop, honestly, one swoop, and you can already tell the difference. And let me tell you, it's so smooth, so smooth, and it takes away everything. And as you can see, my hair has been really growing. It's really long and it's really coarse, and you can tell the difference. So I also wanted to try one more thing. I wanted to try and see whether I can use this strip with the hair in another section and still get some sort of results. The reason why I'm doing this is obviously to make sure that we use the most out of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it over here and see what results I'll get with the second use. So again, I'll just repeat the same. Lay it down. Hairs, apply according to the way the hair is growing, the direction the hair is growing. Apply that flat out. Honestly, I don't expect much, but I'll be impressed if it actually removes with the second use. So once you have that down, hold your skin tight and ready for pat it time. Okay, 1, 2, go. Wow, you guys, look at that. Clearly a difference. Wow. And this is on the second use, so that means you can use one strip in 2 places, or you can use it even twice. I don't know whether it will do a third one. Let's just test and see whether it will do a third one. I doubt though, but 2 is good enough. Yeah, so the third one is kind of but 1 strip for both these sections, and you can clearly see the difference. So let's do one more area, one more strip. Let's see how this goes. Okay, gently with the way your hair direction is going. Okay, and then after it's all laid out, you just want to kind of pull 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at that, you guys. Amazing. And honestly, let me tell you, of course there's a little pain, but it's like almost like a pin. So the wax is very soft on the skin, and I guess that's the reason why there's not much pain. So as you can see, it feels so smooth even before I could clean up. And I just want to do a quick cleanup and see how the the wipes feel. So I'm just gonna open one. Okay, a bit tough. Oopsie. There we go. Oh, okay. So the wipes look like that. Let me see. Okay, not bad. And so even before you clean, you can see the finish on the skin after waxing is pretty good. But I mean, they say you use the wipes to clean. I guess it disinfects, so we'll just clean. Oh, the wipes feel so good, and it has like some oiliness to it. So I guess it's supposed to moisturize the skin after the waxing. Oh my god, it's so good, you guys. Look at it. Look at the glow. Look at the glow. Okay, this is amazing stuff. Yeah, okay, so there you have it, guys. So definitely worth the hype, honestly. Save some money, get yourself a box, and say goodbye to waxing in the salon. And you can do this, as part of your, home spa treatment sessions. For the ladies who have eczema, we have this Vaseline Eczema Calming Therapy Cream. It's really, really, really nice on dry skin and problematic skin that has eczema, and it's perfect for relieving irritation and redness from eczema. So you can experience a little bit of dryness and redness or irritation after waxing, and this will definitely do the trick. And for those who have beautiful skin but just want an extra glow, we have this Coco Radiant body oil. Oh my gosh, this stuff is amazing. Look at it. It's amazing. So you can mix it up with your lotion just to get that extra moisture in there, especially for people with dry skin. This is good stuff.